Hi, my name is Aneri Pradhan of Klimatic Group, and I'm here with.
Hi, my name is Feng Liu. I am the technical engineer in Tecloman Energy. I'm responsible for the European markets for the technical support. Typical country includes Germany, Romania, Austria, etc.
Nice. All right. So, what has surprised you the most about Europe's rapidly evolving energy storage market?
Um, I think the biggest change is the importance of the BESS. Maybe 4 or 3 years ago, I think the BESS is just an option, or not so important of the infrastructure. Customer or people just use it for the arbitrage. I mean the into by by trading at the peak consumption and the valley consumption of the capacity, then the customer can earn profit. But now the BESS is used in more scenarios, including the frequency adjustment, the capacity compensation, let's say, and the of course arbitrage, and sometimes we also support the grid. So recently the European Union also published some supportive regulation, for example, to provide some funds for the renewable energy. So customer is establishing more and more BESS projects. In one hand, they can earn money by the operation, and on the other hand, they can also get the funds from the government. So I think, this is from the it's just one perspective. The other perspective is the customer cares more about the technology, the safety of the BESS, and previously maybe there are not so much products on the market. There weren't so much choice, and now the products are more like almost like the same. I think there isn't much difference between each other. So customer cares more about the fundamental safety, designing, and the operation and the maintenance, flexibility, etc. I think these are the 2 points I think the biggest change during the past years.
Okay, wow. And you just actually listed a lot of technical requirements there, which sounds like that's a big need and importance for them. From an engineering perspective, where does Tecloman stand apart from all of its best competitors?
Okay. I think Tecloman's specialty lies in 3 aspects. First, Tecloman is not a single component company, not a single PCS or battery container or battery cabinet company. It is an integrated, comprehensive company, which means it combines the battery, the DC side, and the PC side, such as the PCS and transformer, together to give the customer a comprehensive solution. This is one point. The second point is that customer is winning and is also specialized for customizing the solution, because for some customer their demand is not universal. We need customization. For example, the discharging and charging rate maybe is not 0.5, 0.25, and the power rate also. The BESS should be connected with the charger, and the numbers of charger, the power are different. So Tecloman can and do well in this aspect. Actually, we have already provided some solutions in in UK market for the charging vehicle vehicle charging and discharging market.
Okay,
Yeah,
wonderful.
and okay, this is the second point. The last point, I think, and Tecloman has already stepped in Europe for several years. So we have real tracking record here. In Romania, we have 85 megawatt hour project.
Nice.
Yeah, and also in Feng Energy in Austria, there is 12 megawatt hour system with 34 cabinets, and also in Hungary, UK, and the Netherlands, and in Germany, everywhere has our own system.
Yeah, that's so exciting. And so, what's next for utility scale storage?
Yeah, I think to me personally, I think it will be the trend of the future BESS, because with the development of the society and the demand, the capacity and the power will be definitely higher and larger. So, so in the future, I think the utility scale will occupy higher position of the BESS market. You see, for Tesla, they have always been designing or researching the battery technology. I think it can stand somehow the trend of the future. And second is the cost. I think the cost will definitely decrease. Yeah, and with the scale is become larger and larger. And the third is that I think AI and the software becomes an important role in future, because it's the competition is not about this hardware, also the automatic, the AI decision algorithm analysis, etc. Yeah, this is my point.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you for sharing your views. I hope you have a great time at Intersolar.
Yeah, I will. You too. Nice meeting
You will,
you.
for sure.